Myself Kumari Nari Taring of Standard 7 from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Jirdin is over here to explain the poem The Rebel in a few words. The poem The Rebel was written by the poet Dennis Joseph Enright, who was a British academic poet, novelist and critic. He also authored Academic Year in 1955, Memoirs of Mendelssohn Professor in the year 1969, and a wide variety of essays, anthologies, reviews, children's books and poems. In this poem, the poet describes the character of a rebel who is likely to do the opposite of what everybody thinks he should do. Presumably, this poem, which wholly spread the ideas of the character of a rebel, is not based on a political activist, but seems to be more driving out our mind into the character sketch of a young teenager who is trying to be different from others. If a rebel sees a group of people with long hair, he would cut his hair short. When everybody has a short hair, the rebel would let his hair grow long. On realizing everybody is silent during the lesson, he would create a disturbance. And when everybody is talking in the class, the rebel would fall into an absolute silence. He would be dressed up in fantastic and chic clothes while everyone would be wearing their uniforms and vice versa. He would express his preference of cats when in the company of dog lovers and praise the dogs when in the company of cat lovers. Similarly, a rebel would just do anything that will be different from others. When a multitude of people would attend a meeting, he would stay at home and read a book. On realizing that everyone's staying at home and reading a book, a rebel would push his body to the meeting. When they say yes, please, a rebel would just say the opposite. It is indeed true that having rebels around us is very good as it trains us to accept the differences created by the societies. However, it is not good to be a rebel oneself as the society critiques and marginalizes them because of their different behavior. A rebel has the power to oppose the majority and disagree with decisions, which is not practically built up in any other human beings. Hence, we can conclude that it is very good to have rebels around us. Thank you.